Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your first time stopping by. Hi, my name is Essie, and on this channel I make makeup, lifestyle and hair videos. So if you like to see that type of content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to get this glowy, summer-esque, type vibe, to teach you guys how to get this makeup look with just like 5 products, girl. That's basically it. So yeah, if you like this video and you want to see how I got this makeup, especially if you're a beginner, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing you want to do to get that type of look is to first start with priming your skin. Priming your skin is very essential in getting that type of glowy, sun-kissed look. Okay, so I decided to come a bit closer for you guys so you guys can see everything I'm doing up close. So the first step is to moisturize your skin, and for that I use my regular moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer you want, and after moisturizing your skin, you go ahead and apply a thin layer of oil onto your skin. That helps for the glow that to shine through your foundation.
Brian Little.
So now that we're done with skin prep, the next step is to apply your foundation or your concealer. Today I'm going to be using a very lightweight foundation because I don't want too much coverage. I just want to look like I have like very minimal makeup on and like just glowy type look. So yeah. Okay, so the trick here, right, is to not apply the foundation all over your face. You want to apply it where you have like dark spots and like dark circles or like dark marks around your skin, not all over your face. Because if you apply it all over your face, then you have to set your entire face and then take away the glow that you have gotten with like prepping your skin underneath. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Basically, don't apply too much foundation, don't apply little foundation in your problem areas. Okay, so now that I have applied the foundation onto the areas that I need to, like my dark marks under my eyes and all of that, I'm going to set it with my mark setting spray. This basically makes blending much easier. Let's shake that. Okay, so now that I'm done with blending this out, I'm going to set it. And I'm not going to set it with loose translucent powder or like banana powder. I'm going to set it with pressed powder. Just 2 shades. I'm going to use that to set my entire face. Just press that powder in because we don't want to bake. Just press it in.
Brian Little.
To add a little color back to our face, I'm going to take this dark chocolatey shade right here and then bring up my cheeks. It's literally about to rain. But yeah, so I'm going with this orange blush from my Morphe palette. Going with an orange blush from my Morphe palette just to tie the whole look together. Okay, now that I have set my setting spray and my face is almost dry, this is the best time to apply your highlights.
Ryan Little.
So yeah guys, this is the final look. See how I look glowy, but like I don't look too bad. I still have some coverage, you know. Oh god. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned one or two things from it. I really love how this look turned out. I look like a fairy, actually, with this gown. Oh my god, it looks so cute. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please again forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one.